Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the another good news video for all Kisho holders. My friends, good news, surprise news for all Kisho holders. You will be feel very happy after watching this video. Just keep watching this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please I request everyone to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. In this time, my friends, the price change of the Kisho is going positive. You can see here that the last 1 hour the latest change token in the Kisho is positive, my friends. In the last 60 minutes the price change of the Kisho is positive. And my friends, my prediction tell me that you can see here at this time the changes of the Kishu is positive. So absolutely it is the beginning of pump. In this time the whole cryptocurrency's price changes is going positive because it is the end of month, and the July, in the start of July the every change is going positive, and July month is the good month of the Kishu token, my friends. Please hold Kishu for a long time, my friends. If you hold for a long time, you will get good amount of profit. Now at this time the changes is going positive and the price start increasing, so absolutely they will continue this pump for a long term. And let me show you the price chart. Oh my goodness, my friends, that is the 3-month price chart of the Kishu, and from the previous 3 months the price of Kishu is completely falls down. Oh my god, let me show you. My friends, the price is completely going down. But now at this time, in the latest, you can see it last time in the end of June the price of the Kishu start explosion, and absolutely they will continue this pump for a long time. My prediction is positive about Kishu, my friends. And absolutely Kishu, Shiba will make you millionaire if you hold for a long term. And for short-term investor, my advice is that they'll please buy more and more Kishu token, because the price change token in the Kishu in the July is positive. So absolutely you will get good amount of profit from a Kishu in the July month. Anyways, how do you feel today about Kishu? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for updates and news videos.